Welcome to BANKEX Scan, a new block explorer for Ethereum network. This is how it works. First, you visit the BANKEX website at scan.bankex.com. There, you'll get detailed information about all operations in the system. The system is very transparent. Next, you put your transaction or address hash in the search box and click Enter. That's all. BANKEX Scan provides you with all the necessary information about your transaction, namely its status, sender and receiver's wallet's addresses, transaction hash and time, block number where it was completed in, how many tokens were sent, and gas or transaction cost. Also, you can see all in and out transactions in the wallet, its balance, as well as the ERC20 token balance. Get detailed transactions, addresses, and blocks data on BANKEX Scan website and Google Play mobile app. BANKEX.